to the seniors. आई थिंक आपके बैच में पहली बार कोई सीनियर आ रहा है या हो सकता है दूसरी बार, तो आप उनसे बात कीजिए. एंड हिज नेम इज कृष्ण कुमार सोनी.
Ron,
You guys are there, sir.
No, there are
Okay.
so many.
Okay, sir.
Hello, good afternoon.
A very good afternoon to everyone. This is Krish Khan Soni before you, and uh, my native place is Gadrawara, and I had done MBA in 2015, and right now I'm doing my father's business as well as agriculture work. Uh, just give your little intro, means in this pretense I will get to know your names.
Yeah, I'm
Hello.
Saket Nar and I'm from Jabalpur.
Okay, so what's the name of Saket? What is the meaning of your name?
I think it's heaven. It's a colony of Sri Ram where he lived. That is
Okay,
Saket.
okay, so we can say it's the name of, it is the synonym of Ayodhya.
Yeah, synonym of Ayodhya, I think.
Okay, and what do you do?
That was a colony of Ayodhya,
Okay,
and its name was Saket, and the meaning is Saket is I think heaven.
okay, and what do you do?
I'm doing my business. It's a stock broking and mutual fund business.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Uh, Good evening, ma'am. What's your name? Means there are so many guys. Anybody can
Yeah,
start.
yeah.
I am
Hello. Yeah,
Hello.
Didi first. Yeah.
hello. I am Mrs. Mehta. I am from Nagpur.
Okay, ma'am. And what do you do, ma'am?
I am a housemaker.
Okay. Uh, Please, actually, I didn't hear name. What is your name, ma'am?
My name is Promila Mehta.
Uh, I think it's a network issue. Still, I did not hear your name.
Promila. My name
Oh,
Promila.
okay, ma'am.
Promila.
Okay. And what is the meaning of your name, ma'am?
Oh, the meaning of my name I don't know properly.
You
You
are
tell me. You can tell.
actually,
No.
actually, whenever I deliver my speech in any way, so I get to, means I want to know what is the meaning of the different name. So
Yeah, yeah.
that's why I'm asking the
So
meaning of your
I
name.
know so many diseases. Somebody tell me laziness, and somebody tell beautiful. So I confuse. So I don't tell what is the actual meaning of my name.
Okay, so ma'am, the second one is good. The beautiness, it
Thank
suits
you.
on you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
okay, ma'am. Thank you. And Eddie, next.
Yeah, hello. Good evening. My name is Renu Sanghi. I'm from Nagpur.
Okay, ma'am. Tell me something about Nagpur.
Yeah, Nagpur is a green city, and it is very safe to live in Nagpur. And people here is very safe, and they interact with each other and they help each other. And uh, and it is a orange city, and one of the very like beautiful thing you can I can say. We get all the vegetables as well as fruits in sufficient number. You see, you can say ki we see all around the Nagpur fruits and vegetables. So in some cities I visit there, so we could not see, but it is a scarcity like in some places. But Nagpur, you can get everything everywhere amply. So there is no scarcity of anything, anytime. So everything is easily available here. That
Yes,
is the
ma'am. I think Nagpur is the biggest mandi of the India. Means it's the central hub of the material.
Center,
yeah,
center
yeah,
point
yes.
Yes.
near
And
my
So
one
house. My house is center point of the Nagpur and center point of India.
okay. And one more thing, I think RBI office is also there. Means
Yeah, yeah,
one of
yes.
RBI branch is there.
near my house.
Yes. Thank you. And what is the meaning of your name, ma'am?
It is Barsat, I think. Rains. Renu
Okay.
is Barsat, I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Your name is Hindi and rain is English word.
I think it is Barsat, meaning I don't know whether I'm right or wrong, but I think it is Renu means Barsat.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, earlier I
I
was
think
preparing.
I think your name's meaning is night, Rena or Renu. So I speak night.
Sorry, come again, Saket.
I think your name's meaning is Rena and Renu. So meaning is night.
My meaning is
Rat.
night. Okay,
Yes.
rat. Maybe. So I will ask my mom today what is my meaning of my name. Yeah.
No,
Or
ma'am,
if
you
if
can
you
just
search.
easily Google it. You should Google it and you'll get each and everything of the name. Means the meaning of your name. Okay, thank you.
Hello, I am
Anybody
Soumya
can.
Udenia.
Okay,
Hello, Bhaiya, I am Soumya Udenia and I am from Kareli.
okay. Kareli, that is good mandi.
Yes, exactly.
Actually, I lives besides your town, Gadrawara.
I know Gadarwara is near Kareli.
Yes. So, tell me the meaning of your name first.
I think the meaning of my name is gentle. Maybe I'm wrong. I think so.
Please come again.
Gentle, gentle.
Okay, gentle. Okay.
Uh, actually, I want to tell Soumya means Soumya, बहुत कोमल.
Yes.
Uh,
Soft.
it's,
Gentle or soft.
Soft.
soft. So my daughter's name is Soumya, so that's why I know.
Okay. Hmm. And what are you doing right now?
I'm doing a BCom with computer application from Narsinghpur.
Okay, good. And this is, I think, somebody's name. Shweta ma'am, please can you tell me something about yourself?
I'm I'm Shweta Tiwari from Jabalpur.
Okay. So ma'am, what is the means a famous thing in Jabalpur? She is means I think network issue is there.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. So next, anybody? How many guys are there?
I'm Harshita Vidhani from Nagpur.
Okay, so many guys are here from Nagpur only.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is your occupation?
I'm a businesswoman.
Okay. Ma'am, what do you do in your business? Means what?
I have a small unit of manufacturing of sharbat.
Okay. So it's a kind of means packed up kind of product. Means
Yeah.
rasna kind of
No,
rasna
no,
kind of product.
no, not rasna. It is like malas and guruji's जो bottle में जो पैक
Okay,
होते हैं उस products.
okay, ma'am. Okay, so I think everybody is done.
Hello, hello,
Okay,
sir.
ma'am.
Hello, Bhaiya. I am Sonika.
Sorry,
You know
ma'am.
me.
Uh, Actually, ma'am, you are not visible.
And technical problem.
Okay, so please come again. What's your name?
I am Sonika.
I'm asking the meaning
More.
of your name. It's,
Sorry.
I think it's related with Lord Shiva, something like that.
No, it's golden are with beauty
Golden.
with golden beauty. Sahib, maybe.
Okay. It's like Sword Mrag.
And Sunhera something.
Okay. Okay. So, guys, how much time have you given in this batch? Means, how old is this batch? मतलब कितना पुराना हो गया ये बैच लगभग?
2 months हो गए.
2 months.
Okay, so 2 months are completed. And how many speeches has completed?
One speech.
Only introduction speech.
Introduction plus present.
No, where
Okay.
two speeches are done.
Present simple. Present
First
simple.
one is present simple and second one is past simple.
Past
Okay.
simple. Past simple we not completed.
Yeah, past
Well,
simple is going on actually.
Okay. And what I'm asking? Yes. So, ma'am, any conversation is going on in your batch? Means before batch or after batch? You guys are habitual to do group discussion, anything kind of this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are
have.
doing.
Yes, Renu Didi, please.
We are conducting a practice batch. Yeah.
Okay.
So we are conducting a practice batch. In that, whatever sir is teaching us, we practice on the particular topic. So we do that
Okay.
from 3 to 4 with them. Yeah.
Okay. I think 2 or 3 guys are there who is connected with business field. So I want to know somebody's heard about SWOT analysis.
No.
Yes, it's
So
it's
okay,
SWOT analysis. In SWOT analysis, it's S stands for strength, W weakness, and O for opportunity, and T for threat. So
okay. So that's the one kind of full meaning of the SWOT analysis. What it stands for what? So can you elaborate it? Means what is means why there is a one thing which is known by SWOT analysis? Actually, I'm talking about here SWOT analysis. By the help of the SWOT analysis, you guys can improve your English and you can also get the benefit of SWOT analysis in your life. Means anywhere, whatever you are doing, whatever occupation you are doing, or whatever you are doing in your life, if you follow the SWOT analysis, you will get the benefit of it in your life. Means not in English only. So I want to ask you, Sakit, can you elaborate it? Means, if you know the full meaning of the short analysis, can you elaborate it?
Yes, we can analyze or use it in our personal life or our business life also. So if we use, then we have when we create start any business, then we have to think about the what are the our strength and what are our weakness of that business, and what is the threat of this business. Threat meaning competition. So that which competitors are, we have a threat, uh, and what are the for opportunity. So what are the upcoming opportunity for this business that we can uh, catch.
Okay. Uh, somebody get the meaning of the whole conversation which is explained by Shakit? किसी को समझ आया जो शाकिर ने समझाया अभी? कोई इसको हिंदी में थोड़ा सा बताएगा? Or English, means any language, it's up to you. You can also use bilingual. Anybody?
Can I try?
Yes, yes, of course, you can.
साकिब भैया ने बोला कि जब हम कोई भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हैं तो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू नो व्हाट आर आवर वीकनेसेस एंड स्ट्रेंथ्स, कि हमारी क्या कमजोरियां हैं, क्या हमारी ताकत है, और उसके साथ साथ थ्रेट मींस कंपटीशन। तो उस बिजनेस में हमारे कॉम्पिटिटर्स कितने हैं कि भाई हमें किन किन से compete करना है, तो वो भी हमें देखना पड़ेगा। और उसके साथ साथ क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, अपकमिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी, तो उसके साथ हम अपना बिजनेस रन कर सकते हैं।
Okay, so if else I say कि you have to apply short analysis in your English language, in your English conversation, to how you guys use it, means short analysis in your English conversation. मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर मैं ये बोलूँ कि अगर आपको शॉर्ट एनालिसिस का यूज करना है अपने इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन में, तो आप उसको कैसे करोगे? Actually, all guys, hello, somebody is there? Only two? Okay, चलिए मैं ये बताता हूँ। जैसे आप लोगों को एक जैसे शॉर्ट एनालिसिस जो समझाया वो सही मीनिंग है। तो ये बोल रहा था मैं कि जैसे आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है, इफ यूर, जैसे आपकी ग्रामर बहुत अच्छी है बट आप में लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस कम है आपके अंदर, तो आपके पास स्ट्रेंथ तो है बट आपके पास कमी है कहीं ना कहीं कॉन्फिडेंस की, तो आपको उस पर वर्क करना पड़ेगा। फिर आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी भी देखना पड़ेगी। तो ऐसे आप अगर उसको जैसे एक पेज पे अगर आप 4 पार्ट्स में उसको डिवाइड कर लेते हैं, आप थोड़ा सा मतलब कन्वर्सेशन करिए ना, मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं वन वे जा रहा हूँ।
यस भैया।
तो अगर आप इसका यूज करेंगे, जैसे मैंने अपने, जैसे आई प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर एसआई, तो मैंने नंबर्स डिवाइड किए। मेरा मैथमेटिक्स थोड़ा कमजोर था तो मैं उस पर ज्यादा काम करता था, जिसमें इम्प्रूव था उसको, जैसे हिंदी मेरी अच्छी थी उसमें अच्छे नंबर आ जाते थे तो उसको कम टाइम देता था। ऐसे ही मैं आपका चाहता हूँ कि आपके जैसे टेंस का पार्ट है, या आपका कई लोगों को पूरे टेंस आते हैं, जैसे प्रेजेंट से लेके उसको पूरा परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस तक के सारे टेंस आते हैं, सारी कैटेगरी बनती है, बट वो कहीं ना कहीं कन्वर्सेशन करने में सोचते हैं, थोड़ा सा उनको लगता है हेजिटेशन है, कुछ है। तो आप जीडी मतलब ऐसा हो सके तो, अब मैं ऑफलाइन बैच किए हैं मैंने, तो मैं उस हिसाब से बात कर रहा हूँ। तो अगर जैसे आप लोगों को कभी सर के बैच के अलावा टाइम मिले तो आप उसी ग्रुप पे अपना डिस्कशन करिए, शायद मैं भी जुड़ा हुआ हूँ इस बैच से। सो आई ऑल्सो ट्राई टू send the videos of mine on any topic, मतलब अगर आप लोग किसी टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन करोगे तो, या फिर रिटर्न में जैसे भी है, तो उससे एक प्रैक्टिस अच्छी होगी.
I want to ask for the topics for which we should discuss for our improvement. Whether there should be certain topics or it should be any topic.
Madam, you guys are free to decide any topic. I'll continue on any topic. Actually, I am still preparing for exam. So somewhere I am connected with GK, GS. So I can I can continue with any topic. Means whatever you guys decide. So I'll do conversation on it. If you guys start, so whenever I'll get time, I'll send the details of the topics. Means as you arise the question, so I'll try to answer it. When I'm having any doubt on your point of view, so I'll ask to you, why are you giving that kind of explanation on that topic? So in this pretense,
What I think, sorry to interrupt you. Actually, what I think, basically, what we need to converse daily, we need to practice on the conversation we do daily. So, coming to the topics is the secondary thing. Firstly, we should be master in our day-to-day communication. That we should focus the most, I think.
Yes, if you guys if you guys give 10 to 15 minutes daily on the conversation, so your batch give much fruitful result to you guys only. Means that is my point of view. That's my perception, which I am sharing to you guys.
Yeah, that is okay. I want to ask for the improving day-to-day conversation. We all need that, and we are lacking somewhere else. So sometimes, like if some sir and ma'am is not present there in our conversation, so we are stuck whether we are right or not. So that is the big issue. So what I want a suggestion for that. We should be master in conversing in day-to-day language. So where to start with?
Ma'am, in your batch, I think I am also connected with your batch. My name is Krishna. So
yeah, you are there. Krishna name is there. So I thought it is sir's son's name. So I always take it as a sir's son. Yeah, okay. Now I got it.
No, actually, sometimes I'm busy in my shop, in my field. Actually, I'm having the land works, agriculture work. So sometimes I'm standing over there. But after some time, I'll continue. Means actually, right now the धान is रोपा is going on. Means धान की खेती हो रही है, तो वो वर्क थोड़ा देखना पड़ता है. So I think after this week I'll continue with this batch. So I'll also try to means somewhere I am also wrong. So if we guys doing the teamwork, so we will get something good. That's my opinion. Okay. Anybody having
It is
any
true.
kind of?
And yeah, I believe in teamwork. And where I was in mistake, Soumya, Harshita, they rectify me. Sometimes Juhi rectify me. So sometimes Mehta ma'am rectifies me. And it is like Saket also rectifies me lot of time. So this happens because where I am lacking, they must be knowing the proper word either on Hindi or English. So that teamwork is always fruitful. Yeah, I believe in that.
And if we guys start discussing on a one particular topic, so we will get something new. Means after the conversation, like if we talk about the GDP of India, so in one conversation we will get 10 to 20 new things. मतलब अगर अपन जैसे किसी एक GDP टॉपिक हो गया, एम्पॉवर्टी हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया, अगर अपन उस पर डिस्कस करेंगे सो वी विल गेट समथिंग न्यू। मतलब ऐसा हर एक फील्ड का नॉलेज तो नहीं होता है। लाइक इफ यू सम डे वी विल डिसाइड द टॉपिक ऑफ नागपुर, तो वी विल गेट वन जोग्राफिकल इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ आवर मैप, मीन्स बहुत कुछ नया पता चल जाएगा। ओके, एनीबडी हैविंग एनी क्वेरी regarding with anything else, means with English, with competitive exam or whatever? मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ किसी को कोई मीन्स ऐसा कोई सीनियर आता है तो उससे कोई कन्वर्सेशन करते हैं, कोई सवाल हो इंग्लिश से कि आपको कहीं दिक्कत आ रही हो या कुछ कि कैसे इम्प्रूव करें, ऐसी कोई क्वेरी है किसी के मन में? नो? So should I send to sir? मैं सर को क्लास लेने के लिए भेज दूं अगर कोई सवाल नहीं है तो? आप हिंदी को पूछ सकते हैं मेरे से, मतलब इंग्लिश कंपलसरी नहीं है। I think nobody is कम से कम
English class. You can speak English. You can try. You tell me about your family members, your the meaning of your name.
प्लीज मैम पार्डन, मैं सुन नहीं पाया आपको। आपने क्या पूछा मैम, मैं सुन नहीं पाया।
You can tell me about yourself.
About
Yourself.
okay.
Yes.
Okay. This is Krishna Kumar Soni. My native place is Gadruwara. I am related with the town of Osho, and my town is famous for two things. One is Osho, who is famous in the whole world, and second thing is NTPC program, which is started over there. That is the क्या बोलते हैं, नो, दैट इज वन ऑफ द नवरत्न कंपनीज ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट। मतलब भारत सरकार की जो सबसे बड़े इन्वेस्टमेंट होते हैं उनमें से नवरत्न कंपनियों में से एक एनटीपीसी है। दैट इज मतलब अभी रिसेंट में हमारे यहाँ बना हुआ है। एंड आई हैड डन, एज आई इन्फॉर्म यू, आई हैड डन MBA and I am still preparing for competitive exam. Once I cracked one exam of MP board Bhopal, but my waiting was not clear in that exam. Thereafter my main motive is SI, sub inspector, means I want to see myself as a sub inspector in my life. And I love wandering, I love to watch new things, I want to explore the things, and I believe in one thing, whatever present in the world, try to love each and everything, try to respect each and everything, whether that person belong anywhere, any category, any religion. I believe in one nation, one flag. Okay. And apart of it, there are 4 family members in my family. The head of my family is my father. He is a goldsmith as well as a farmer. Thereafter, my brother, he is also doing both the things, and my mother, she is housewife. And lastly, me, who is trying to support my brother and my father's business. And lastly, my motive is to get government job.
I want to ask one thing. As you are looking for the government job, so
Yes.
if you, if you are looking for, you definitely get sooner or later. But what about your irrigation work, farming and all? So who will support your father as you will leave him?
Please, ma'am.
His father, his father is goldsmith,
Yes.
not farming.
You're not into plumbing for profession. Profession.
His father is goldsmith.
My father is goldsmith,
Okay.
and he's designed the jewelry.
Okay.
Means
Design
he's
the jewelry. Okay. Okay.
You want to know?
So, but you're telling na you have to look after the
rate of gold.
irrigation work and all.
he's my younger brother is watching agriculture work.
Agriculture, yeah.
Yes.
So
And right now, I am supporting both of them. Means somebody, my father has the requirement of work, so I support him in his shop, his customers, everywhere. And somewhere my brothers requires the support in agriculture works, like observe the labor who is working, cultivate the crop, irrigation, means each and everything. So somewhere I am supporting him as well.
So
You are great, huh?
share-
You have both.
Yes.
very nice.
Very
to
nice.
listen. Yeah.
Even I support my mom's work as well.
Oh,
That's great. Okay, I want to know about the teaching of Osho. Can you share something about that? What is the basically teaching of Osho?
Actually, I never read about him, but I love his voice. Means actually I love his eyes and his voice, both the things. Means जब भी voice means जब उनको सुनते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि आई एम फ्रॉम गाडरवारा, ही इज फ्रॉम गाडरवारा। तो जब वो भाषा एक सी होती है किसी भी टॉपिक पे तो सुनने में थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है, मतलब एक सी भाषा आपको कनेक्ट करती है कहीं ना कहीं। बट आई लाइक सदगुरु मोस्ट।
yeah.
If you heard, that is Coimbatore Sadhguru Adi Yogi.
I follow him a lot, and I follow his diet pattern. I love that diet pattern of his. So I whenever I get the time, I just listen his videos. So his English is outstanding. Earlier I couldn't get it.
Actually, that personality is outstanding, madam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
Now
he's
whatever he speaks is very good, and his English is I don't know where it comes from. So that is outstanding. And earlier I did not get what he is talking. Now I can understand little. Yeah.
and when his क्या बोलते हैं translated videos also coming on the YouTube. Actually, I'm not getting that much time. He runs one engineering program over there which works on the body, but that needs 3 months to stay over there in Coimbatore. But इतना टाइम किसी के पास होता नहीं है।
I'm following some of his teaching about the diet pattern. So I am a health conscious person. I take very good care of myself and my family, and I just guide others also to how to be pill free. And I copied some of his sayings, and whatever I have done practical, it is quite worthy to do, and it is result oriented. At the same time, it is result.
How many guys are doing meditation daily? Means in this batch, there I think
Yeah,
I'm watching.
see, Mehta ma'am, she is meditating. He is meditating daily. I think many more. Whoever is there, who are the Radha Swami? We are the Radha Swami followers. So we got that Guru mantra from our Guruji. So we have that. We know the process of doing the meditation. He taught us. So we do meditation daily.
Okay. As I am talking about the short analysis, where O stand for opportunity, and right now means you guys are utilizing your opportunity in conversation, but the rest of guys just listening only. So
Yeah, because topic is different now. As I belong to Radha Swami. I can talk about them daily.
No, ma'am. I'm talking about the conversation. Means any kind of question you can arise, and start conversation on it. That's that is the only thing on that you have to work. मतलब आपको इसी पे तो काम करना है. मैं ये बता रहा हूँ आप लोगों को कि जब आपको जैसे एक मैं सर के साथ का एग्जांपल हिंदी में शेयर करता हूँ आपके साथ कि when earlier I was the student of sirs in 2011 or 12. So I was not having that much of confidence to speak before a lot of people. So मैं सर के साथ एक आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के प्रोग्राम में गया हुआ था. तो वहां पे जब मेडिटेशन के बाद सब होने के बाद लोग बोलते हैं कि आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे, यू विल एक्सप्लोर योर सेल्फ, मीन्स आपको कैसा लगा कैसा नहीं लगा. सो दैट डे आई थिंक नियर अबाउट 500 पीपल वर देयर. मतलब लगभग 500 लोग होंगे. एंड आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो आई जस्ट आस्क्ड टू सर शुड आई. तो सर ने ऐसा हाथ उठा के मेरे को वहां भेज दिया. सो दैट वॉज द अपॉर्चुनिटी जो मैंने मांगी और मुझे मिली. तो इतने लोगों को देख के जब मैं नर्वस हुआ, सो दैट वॉज द लास्ट डे ऑफ लॉर्ड गणेश, मतलब गणेश जी का विसर्जन वाला दिन था. सो आई सेड, मतलब अपनी एक दबी सी आवाज में मैंने बोला गणपति बप्पा. सो द होल क्राउड रिप्लाई मोरिया. तो बहुत मतलब ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको कभी भी मिले किसी भी उसमें,
that's right.
तो आपको उसको यूज करना चाहिए. और मैं जैसा अभी मैडम बोल रही थी, अगर कोई मेडिटेशन करता है तो मेरे पास एक सदगुरु जी का बहुत अच्छा वाला है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. आप यूट्यूब पे सर्च करेंगे और उसको आप 15 दिन फॉलो करके देखेंगे तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Oh,
मतलब आप उनका 1 घंटे वाला है, अस्तोमा ज्योतिर्गमय वाला. तो आप
You can share us on this channel. We will definitely go through with that.
yeah.
yes ma'am, I'll share the link to you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so have a great day. Bye.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Nice talking to you. Thank you. Yeah, bye bye.
Good afternoon, guys, again.
Good afternoon, sir.
आप अपने फीडबैक व्हाट्सएप में भेजिएगा, टेक्स्ट या वॉइस मैसेज. एंड ओपन योर पास्ट सिंपल टेंस. And Soumya, can you tell me what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
Sir, the last sentence of past simple tense is क्या आपने कुछ पूछा?
Thank you. अब तुम यही सवाल सौम्या रेनू से कर सकती हो या किसी और से.
Renu Didi, what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
The last sentence of past simple tense was क्या आपने कुछ पूछा? Okay.
Please continue.
Okay, Saket, what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
The last sentence of past simple tense was क्या आपने कुछ पूछा? मान्या जी, what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
The last sentence of past simple tense was क्या आपने कुछ पूछा? Juidi, what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
The last sentence of past simple tense was क्या आपने कुछ पूछा? Okay. Sonika is there?
Sonika
Yes,
is
please.
done. No,
No,
Sonika
sir.
is done.
Sonika is raised, na? Sonika, what was the last sentence of past tense? What was the last sentence of past tense? Sir, I forgot question. Manya, please come again question.
किसी और से पूछ लो तो.
Okay, Renu.
Okay,
Renu,
ask me.
please.
Ask for me.
Okay, Mehta Didi, what is question?
Ask
Okay,
me.
okay, sir.
I can ask. What
Saket
was
will
the
ask.
last sentence of past simple tense?
Okay,
Uh,
Sonika,
the
what?
I'm answering this question.
Okay, sir.
Mehta ma'am, the last sentence of past simple tense was, did you ask anything?
Like, complete the process here.
You will have to complete the process, then I can complete the
Okay.
process.
What was the last sentence of simple simple tense का last sentence क्या था?
Thank you. Please come again. Repeat your Hindi sentence.
Last past simple tense का sentence क्या?
Okay, it will do. It is not precise, but it will do. Past simple का जो अंतिम वाक्य था वो था, did you ask anything? Now mute yourself and listen, guys. Guys, generally I remember the sentences which I give. लेकिन इस बहाने तुम्हारे मुंह से एक बार वो इंग्लिश हम और निकलवाना चाहते, और आप सब हिंदी पे लगे थे तो बीच में मुझे आना पड़ा कि अगर आप इंग्लिश का जवाब देते हो तो आपके मुंह से उतना इंग्लिश एक बार और निकलेगा ना बेटा. तो सौम्या, what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
So the last sentence of past simple tense was, did you ask anything?
Thank you. So there you are. Now complete the round. Meanwhile, I'm going to take my glasses.
Renu Didi, what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
Soumya, the last sentence of past simple tense was, did you ask anything? Saket, what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
The last sentence of past simple tense was, did you ask anything? Manya ji, what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
The last sentence of past simple tense was, did you ask anything? Didi, what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
The last sentence of past simple tense was, did you ask anything? Okay, Mehta Didi, what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
The last sentence of past simple tense was, did you ask anything? Oh, mute. The last sentence of past simple tense was, did you ask anything? Who is there? Who is ready? Saket,
I am done, ma'am.
you are ready?
Okay, I am ready.
So, what was the last sentence of past simple tense?
The last sentence of past simple tense was, did you say anything? Ask anything? Who is rest? Sir, all are done.
Okay. Please write down the third sentence or whatever the number. And the next sentence is मैंने कहा. मैंने कहा. जूही जी, please speak Hindi sentence.
मैंने कहा.
Who has to make this sentence? Joohi ji, please mute yourself. Thank you.
I
Who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make this sentence.
Beta, your voice is little bit slow. Am I clearly audible now?
Yes, sir, you are clearly audible.
It will
Sir,
do. Okay. Go ahead. Now that is better.
this sentence is related to past simple tense. It
Correct.
is an affirmative sentence.
Right. बेटा,
Firstly, I will
अफर्मेटिव को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं, एक बार बताओ.
सकारात्मक वाक्य.
बिल्कुल सही. और सकारात्मक वाक्य की पहचान क्या होती है, पता है? नहीं, हम बताते हैं. सब्जेक्ट से शुरू होता है हमेशा सकारात्मक वाक्य. सबसे पहले कर्ता. ओके, गो अहेड.
Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Thereafter, I will take the second form of verb, and the second form of verb is said. At the end, I will put full stop, and the sentence is I said.
बेटा, एक छोटी सी कमी है, गलती नहीं कहेंगे हम, कमी कहेंगे. तो आज तुम हमारा वाला वाक्य बोलो कि who has to make this sentence.
Who has to make this sentence?
I have to make this sentence.
I have to make this.
मान्या जी ने सबसे पहले बोला, तो मान्या जी बताएं.
I have to make this sentence. This sentence is related to past simple tense and it is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject and the subject is I. And as I can see, there is no helping verb or main verb. So then I will take the first form of verb, second form of verb, and the second form of verb is said. Lastly, I will put the full stop, and the sentence is I said.
वेरी नाइस. लेकिन वो कमी आपके उसमें भी है, गलती नहीं कह रहे हैं. अब आप भी पूछिए मेरा वाला सवाल किसी और से.
Who has to make this sentence?
I have to make this sentence. This sentence is related to past simple tense. It's an affirmative sentence. First, we use the first we will take subject, and subject will be I. Then later on we take second form of verb, and the second form of verb will be said. Then we put a sign, a vertical line, and a dot under this. Then the sentence, completed sentence will be. I don't remember the name of this sign. So the completed sentence would be I said.
Exclamatory sign.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, please, Sakit, ask somebody else. Same question.
Who has to make this sentence?
I have to make this sentence.
Okay, Sonika, go ahead.
This sentence is related to past simple tense. It is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject and the subject is I. Thereafter, I will take second form of the verb and the second form of the verb is said, and the sentence is completed. I said.
वेरी नाइस। बट सोनिका वो कमी अभी भी है, तो प्लीज पूछो किसी से।
Who has to make this sentence?
सोनिका
I
अब ऐसे, हाँ सबको बनाना तो आज सबको सबको इतना तो करना ही है, प्लीज।
I have to make this sentence. This sentence is related to past simple. It is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I take the subject, and the subject is I. Then I will take the V2. The second form of verb, the second form of say verb is said. So I will take second form of verb said, and the sentence is I said.
थैंक यू रिमेम्बर। लेकिन वो कमी अभी भी है। आप सभी लोग विचार कीजिएगा, कॉमन सेंस की बात है, लेकिन इस बहाने बाकी सबको मौका मिलेगा। अब आप, सोनिका ने अभी शायद नहीं बनाया है कि बना लिया है। जूही जी आप पूछिए, जिसका नाम याद हो, जिसने अभी तक नहीं बोला उसका नाम पुकार के, नहीं तो मैं देखता हूँ जाके।
श्वेता थी आई डोंट नो सर अभी।
श्वेता भी नहीं है।
सोनिका मेहता दीदी।
हाँ मेहता दीदी ने अभी नहीं बोला, उनसे पूछिए।
रेणु ने भी नहीं बोला, आई थिंक सो। रेणु
हाँ, should I try?
प्लीज।
Okay. So I have to make this sentence, and this sentence.
रेणु जी एक थोड़ा सा, आपने एक्चुअली लिंक सेंड किया था आपने, राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो ये जो ऊपर स्क्रीन पे एक कोड दिखाई देता है अजीबोगरीब, उसको टच कीजिए और वहां पे प्रोमिला पेंड अब 2 बार ज्वाइन है, तो एक को रिमूव कर दीजिए आप।
Okay, sir.
So this is the problem. I can't talk any. Voice is chopping. I don't know what happened.
मतलब वो स्थान 2 बार वहां पे ज्वाइनिंग दिखा रहा है, तो वो स्थान ले रहा है। कोई एक ज्वाइनिंग से कंटिन्यू होगा कि 2 ज्वाइनिंग, ये तो थोड़ा सा टेक्निकली हमें प्रॉब्लम समझ में आ रही है। चलिए आप आगे बढ़िएगा, कोई बात नहीं, मत कीजिए ज्यादा।
Sir, what can we do?
Sir,
What should
sir,
we do?
that is from one number.
So
That
that's why
joining is
our
from
voice
one.
is echo.
Actually, what happens, a person who doesn't know the deleting process, he joins again and again. So one is useless and one is useful.
Yeah.
So because whenever I conduct the class, I keep doing these things. So
Okay.
there will be no harm. Pramila madam will not be disconnected.
That I know, sir, but it is when I am touching that point, that her name, so nothing is happening. That is the problem.
Okay, leave it, no problem. Carry on, please.
Okay. Sir, I have to make this sentence. This sentence related to this sentence related to past simple
रीनू यहाँ
tense.
पे बहुत दिनों बाद रिलेटेड का प्रयोग कर रही हैं आप, तो उसकी एक बेसिक चीज भूल गई। दिस सेंटेंस इज रिलेटेड टू, ये है।
Is related to, yeah. This sentence is related to past simple tense. It is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Then I will take the second form of the verb, and that is told. So I told. and thereafter I will put the full stop, and the sentence is I told.
यहाँ पे क्रिया जो इन लोगों ने ली, क्रिया बिल्कुल सही है, सब्जेक्ट भी सही है। जो कमी है वो है डिस्क्रिप्शन में कहीं। आप भी इस पर पुनर्विचार करें रेणु जी, और अब आप प्रमिला मैडम से पूछें, क्योंकि उन्होंने अभी तक प्रयास नहीं किया है। तब तक मैं ढूंढता हूँ कि
Okay.
और कौन बेस्ट है।
Okay, Pramila Didi, please try.
Please ask me a question.
Who have to make this sentence?
I have to make this sentence. This sentence is related to past simple tense. It is affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take subject. It is I. Next, there is no helping word. So, next I will take verb, the second form of verb. It is said. Thus, lastly, I will put full stop. This is the
थैंक यू प्रमिला मैम, धन्यवाद। प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ। तो रेनू, अगर आप रिमूव करना चाहें तो हम आपको बताते हैं, जो ऊपर वाला नाम है प्रोमिला जी का, उससे वो कनेक्टेड है, और नीचे वाले नाम से डिस्कनेक्टेड। तो आप थोड़ा सा ऐसे ही, जब तक कुछ नहीं हो रहा है आप ये करके देखिए। आप जैसे ही वहां पे जाएंगे और उनके नाम को टच करेंगे तो एक बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस खुल जाएंगे, जिसमें रिमूव करके एक ऑप्शन होगा। रिमूव को टच कर देंगे तो वो अननेसेसरी ज्वाइनिंग है वो रिमूव हो जाएगी। अब मेहता मैडम, आप पूछिए किसी से, अगर किसी को आ गया होगा, एकदम से ज्ञान चक्षु खुल गए होंगे तो वो बना लेगा, नहीं तो फिर मैं मदद करूंगा। चलिए, वो नहीं पूछ रही हैं तो उनके बिहाफ में मैं पूछ लेता हूँ। Who has to make this sentence?
I have to make this sentence.
सोनिका, थैंक यू। अगर तुम विजिबली सेंटेंस बनाओगी तो हमें खुशी होगी।
who have to make this sentence.
I have to make this sentence. This sentence is related to past simple tense. It is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take subject and the subject is.
बेटा सोनिका, थोड़ी लिपस्टिक लगा लें अपन।
Firstly, I will take the subject and the subject is I. Thereafter, I will take second form of the verb, and the second form of the verb is said. Then I will check if object are there or not. Then I will then and the subject and the sentence is completed. I said.
अभी वो कमी मौजूद है दोस्तों, लेकिन सभी जो प्रयास कर रहे हैं वो अच्छा कर रहे हैं। बस यहाँ ध्यान दीजिएगा कि आपके मुंह से इंग्लिश निकल रही है। एंड मेकिंग सेंटेंस इज नेवर इम्पॉर्टेंट इन दिस क्लास। थैंक यू। सोनिका, आस्क।
Who has to make this sentence?
I have to make this.
मान्य जी।
This sentence is related to past simple tense. It is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject and the subject is I, and there is no helping or main verb. Then I will take the second form of verb, and the second form of verb is said. At the last, I will put the full stop, and the sentence is I said.
थैंक यू मान्या जी। ये छोटा बेटा है कि बड़ा वाला?
सर बड़ा।
हेलो बड़े बेटे, हाउ आर यू?
अरे
थैंक यू मान्या जी। वो कमी अभी तक जारी है, आप फिर से पूछिए और देखते हैं।
who have to make this sentence?
हम आपको विचार विमग्न छोड़कर आज क्लास को समाप्त करते हैं। कल हम क्या करेंगे, 12:30 बजे के बैच से सारिका नाम के एक कैंडिडेट को 5 मिनट के लिए इनवाइट करेंगे इस बैच में। वो इस सेंटेंस को बना के बताएंगे। तब तक के लिए शब्द है। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद, गॉड ब्लेस।
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.